Fun with Tux Paint. Hello kids! In the previous class, you learned basics of Tux Paint and its tools. Let us move ahead and learn more about them. Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a free drawing program used to draw different shapes and drawings. It has a simple, easy-to-use interface and a Tux mascot which guides children as they use the program. It was created by Bill Kendrick. Opening a new drawing. New tool is used to start a new drawing which contains either solid color or starter image as background. Click on New Tool. A new screen will appear which shows solid background colors and starter images. You can click on the arrows to see more color boxes or starter images. Click on any starter image. The image will be selected. Click on Open. The selected starter image will appear on the drawing canvas. Rotation of shapes. Shapes tool is used to draw and rotate different filled or unfilled shapes like circle, square, etc. Click on Shapes tool. Different shapes will appear in selector. Click on any shape. In this example, we have selected filled triangle. Click on any color. Click and drag the mouse on the drawing canvas. Make the desired size and release the mouse button once. Your mouse pointer will change into a spin arrow. Move the mouse to spin the shape at any angle from the center point. Click on the canvas to see the final shape. Undo and Redo tool. Clicking on Undo tool will undo the last drawing action. You can use undo for more than one action. Clicking on Redo tool will redo the drawing action. You just undid with Undo tool. Hello kids! Let's have some fun! Now we will make a drawing shown below by using the various tools of Tux Paint. Project. Create scenery. Start. Lines tool. Lines tool is used to draw straight lines. We will use it for creating the lines of the mountain in the scenery. Click on Lines tool. Different brushes appear in selector. You can click arrows to see more brushes. Click on the desired brush. Click on any color from the palette. Press the left mouse button and drag to make straight lines. Paint tool. Paint tool is used to make freehand drawings. We will use it for creating the lines of river and grass field in the scenery. Click on Paint tool. Different brushes will appear in selector. Click on the desired brush. Click on any color from the color palette. Press the left mouse button and drag to make the drawing. You will see the pattern dawn. Fill tool. Fill tool is used to fill colors in any closed shape. This tool is available in Magic tool. We will use it for filling the color in the mountains, grass field and the river in the scenery. Click on Magic tool. A list of magic tools will appear in the selector. Click on arrows to find the fill tool. Click on fill tool. Click on any color from the color palette. Take the pointer inside the shape and click on it. The color will be filled. Stamp tool. Stamp tool is like a rubber stamp or a sticker. It is used to paste pre-drawn or photographic images like a picture of a cat or a flower or a bird in your drawing canvas. We will use it for pasting some pre-drawn images and photographs in the scenery. Click on Stamp tool. A list of stamps will appear in selector. You can click these arrows to see more categories of stamps like animals, birds, etc. Click on any stamp from the selector. Move your mouse around the canvas. An outline of the stamp follows the movement of mouse, showing where the stamp will be placed and how big it will be. Click on the following control tools. Click this tool to display the stamp as a mirror image. Click this tool to flip the stamp. Click this tool to increase or decrease the size of the stamp. Click on drawing canvas to place the image of the selected stamp. You can place multiple images of same stamp on the canvas until you select other image. Repeat steps 2 to 5 to place other stamps on the drawing canvas. Some stamps have different sound effects or spoken words. You can click on these buttons to replay the sound effects or spoken words. You can disable and enable the sound effect by pressing Alt plus S keys from the keyboard. You can also fill the colors in some stamps. If the color palette appears when you select the stamp, it means that you can change the color of the stamp. Magic tool. Magic tool is used to add special effects. We will use it for adding special effects like grass, flowers, etc. in the scenery. Click on Magic tool. A list of magic tools will appear in the selector. Click on any of the magic tools, grass, from the selector. Click on the desired color from the color palette. Note that the color option is not available for all the magic tools. Now, depending on the magic tool you have selected, you can either click and drag or simply click the picture once. The magic effect will be applied. Just below the selector, there are two buttons which help you to decide either you click and drag or simply click once for a particular effect. You can click and drag on the canvas for a particular effect if the left button is highlighted. You can simply click once on the canvas for a particular effect if the right button is highlighted. Repeat steps 2 to 4 to apply other magic effects on the drawing canvas. In this example, Flower magic tool has been selected and applied. In the given example, Foam and Real Rainbow magic tool has been selected.
some more magic effects.
Some magic effects do not work on plain blank canvas. We have to create a picture and then apply these effects on it. Noise effect, glass tile effect, waves effect, TV effect, snowflakes effect, fold effect. Text tool. Text tool is used to type text and numbers. We will use it for adding text like our name or caption in the scenery. Click on Text tool. Different text styles appears in the selector. Click on any text style. Click on any color from the color palette. Click on the drawing canvas. A cursor appears. Type your text with the keyboard. Text will appear on the screen. You can click on bold and italic to change the style of text. You can also click on size buttons to change the size of text.
Finish.
So friends, I hope you feel good after making the project by using different tools. Save tool. Save tool is used to save your drawing. Click on the Save tool from the toolbar. If you are saving for the first time, it will simply save the picture. If you make changes in an already existing drawing, then save it by clicking on the Save tool. A dialog box appears which asks you whether to replace the old file or save a new one. Clicking on this button will replace the previously saved picture with the new one. Clicking on this button will create a new file. It will help you to create different files or scenes for the story. Slideshow. You can create different scenes of a story, save them and make them run one after another as a slideshow. Slideshow helps to run all the scenes of a story or text one after another. Follow these steps to run a slideshow. Make different pictures and save the files separately. Click on the Open tool. A list of saved pictures appears. Click on Slides button. Click on files in the order in which you want to display them as slides. When you click, a digit number will appear on the file, which lets you know in which order this file will be displayed. Click on Sliding Scale to adjust the speed of the slideshow from slowest left to fastest right. Click on Play button. After clicking the Play button, the selected files start running one after another. Within the interval of time you have selected in step 5, the selected slides will appear as shown below. It is a story of a jungle in 8 slides. In this story, animals are coming one by one to eat grass. Suddenly a tiger comes and all the animals begin to run away. Each slide has 2 buttons, Next and Back. You can click on Next button to manually move to the next slide. You can click on Back button to exit the slideshow and return to the slideshow image selection screen.